Breaking news, Fernando da Cruz is back at Kaizer Chiefs. He's going to manage Kaizer Chiefs for the next 2 seasons and there's an option to extend. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about this. Fernando da Cruz, the guy who left us, is back at Kaizer Chiefs. He was supposed to be assistant Kanabi. He got a better job somewhere. He ended up terminating his contract with Kaizer Chiefs and he left to go and coach. I don't even know the name of the team he went to coach, but he terminated, left us. I want to know how you guys feel about this, because for me it feels like we are hiring a person who is not loyal. He does not have loyalty, did not honor his contract with Kaizer Chiefs, terminated when Nabi needed him the most. Again, I do understand that as human beings, we are all looking for better opportunities. We all have big, those dream jobs and everything, career, big, don't. We all have those. Again, you still have to honor the current job that you are working. You can't just up and leave after being given a contract. That's what he did with us. But now, in news Zitini, Fernando da Cruz has signed with the Kaizer Chiefs. Soccer Beat has reported this. Mickey Jr., I think he's the first one to report. Who was the first one to report this? Mickey Jr. Okay, let's have a look and read at the contract. We signing with da Cruz. Okay, Uti. French coach Fernando da Cruz has agreed to become the new head coach of Kaizer Chiefs. A 2-year contract has been signed with an option to extend for a further season. Okay, the former Lily and Asfa boss will arrive with 4 members of his coaching staff, while 2 to 3 South African coaches are also expected to join his team. A new era begins at Kaizer Chiefs. Fernando da Cruz is really back at Kaizer Chiefs, gents. And I want to know your thoughts. How do you guys feel? And also, there are other news that just came out from Soccer Beat. They are saying Kaizer Chiefs are not going to be renewing the contract of George Matlou. And I do understand them. I do understand why George Matlou is being let go. And I'm hoping you guys understand, because Umjita has been given contracts after contracts at Kaizer Chiefs, but he keeps on getting injured in each and every season. There's no season where he does not get injured. He never gets to play a full season. Of course, it's not his fault and everything, but Kaizer Chiefs nayo ayikwazi phela ukuba nomdlali ethi iyamthemba iyamdinga that is always on the stands, not playing because of an injury. It hurts the club more than the player. The player has to go. Apparently, Stellenbosch are showing interest, I mean. So hopefully, Stellenbosch siyamthatha umjeda and kumbambele kahle. Stellenbosch, hopefully izinto zakhe zohamba kahle. He's not gonna get injured there. He's gonna. How do you not get injured? How do you not get injured? I don't know. But gents, George Matlou is going to be leaving Kaizer Chiefs. He was under 1-year contract, if you guys remember. Some extended last season, giving him another chance. He got injured this season. Chiefs tried, really tried. Can't blame him. Can't blame them for letting him go. But again, guys, we are not here to talk about George Matlou. George Matlou is just indaba. We have a new head coach, Fernando da Cruz, a guy who left us when we needed him the most. How are we going to support him, bro? Because there's that thought, mangafika nje team enkulu after, let's say isiphakathi nesizini, Kaizer Chiefs are playing well, good football. Let's say da Cruz is really good, his ball is working at Kaizer Chiefs, we're doing things, and then kufika a team like Al Ahly, let's say Al Ahly ixoshe ucoach wabo le-Egypt, and they say, we want you, da Cruz, to come to Al Ahly. Won't this guy leave us? Because he has done it before. Left us, did not honor his contract, terminated, boom, left. Mayingafika iteam enkulu bigger than Kaizer Chiefs, ifike ithi nayi contract sizokunika yona, angeke azashiye nalo umjida. Otherwise, he's a good coach. I've checked him. I've checked them. He has more than 10 years of experience in terms of coaching. Yes, he was coaching most of the time as okay, from 2009 he was a manager. He was a manager, yeah, manager, assistant manager. And ngo 2008 okay ekudala esebenza lo Mjida ekudala esebenza. So he has all the experience. He was coach we-ASFA before Unabi became coach with-ASFA. If you guys remember, he got fired. He won the league with the ASFA, and he got fired after that because he did not do well in other competitions in the league. And then when Nabi came in to become the boss or the manager of the ASFA, Nabi said he wanted him to be part of his technical team, I mean. So he worked with Nabi at ASFA, and then when Nabi moved to Kaizer Chiefs, he also wanted to go and work with Lomjita at Kaizer Chiefs. But again, Lomjita left us in the middle of the season. No, ibingakayi be in the middle, besaqala season. He went to the preseason with us in Netherlands, and then when we came back, this guy left. So that happened. So Umjida Unai experience as a head coach and everything, and he has won trophies. So it's good that he has won, but won't he leave us when we need him the most? That's the only thing I have against him. He can be a head coach with Kaizer Chiefs, but there's still a question yokuthi angeke azashiye na lo Mjida if a better offer comes. Angeke azashiye na. Will he honor his contract with Kaizer Chiefs? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know ukuthi nicinga ntoni ngalo coach. Besilindele uManqoba Mngqithi, Benny McCarthy, Pitso, kodwa iKaizer Chiefs is staying. Fernando da Cruz asazi bafethu asiyiphathanga club. Supporter whoever comes and becomes the head coach. I hope they are making a good decision. I hope this guy is going to help us prosper, be a better team, and start winning trophies and build something right here at Kaizer Chiefs, because I'm so sick and tired of firing and hiring for the past 5 years. As Wazanga uklala with a coach more than 2 seasons. For the first bro, we've been firing and hiring, and I'm sick and tired of that. Hopefully Kaizer Chiefs will stick with this guy if this is him. If it is him that they've selected, don't fire him unless uqedile 3 years. Unless he uyas relegator, okay. If he has relegator, you can combat him indlela. Kodwa again, if he's building something, give him a chance. Ayakhe aqede, and then if kuyabonakala ukuthi khona level ekumele sibe kuyo but he can't, then you can bring in another manager, fire him, ezothatha from i-foundation ayakhileyo asithathe asise kwelinye izinga. So that's what I'm expecting from the Kaizer Chiefs, because the Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns are building. They keep on building each and every season. They are getting better and better and better. I-foundation bayiqeda kudala, and now they just keep on ukulungisa kancane lapho kumoshakele khona. So nathi we need to step up a little bit. So bafethu, let me know what you think in the comments about Da Cruz being the next Kaizer Chiefs manager.